Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elizabeth and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of StudioDIY's monthly Can't Clutch This subscription. It's my first time subscribing to them and I'm super excited to see what their clutch looks like. So let's get started.
To make things easier, I've blacked out any addresses and I've already pre-cut the security tape that was on the package. It's super sleek, super clean. I love the mysterious ambiance that it has. It has their popular hashtag Can't Clutch This that you can tag your photos on Instagram, and I think it's super cute. I really love their logo. StudioDIY, make life a party. Even when you're not at a party, you are the life of the party. So I'm going to be doing this one-handed. And already, I love it. I love the minimalistic look of it all. I'm super excited. Oh my god. Okay. Packaging looks super cute. I love that it's like minimal trash. I love this little sticker. Girl, are you ready for this? Am I ready? I'm not sure. So let's see what this month is. There's no easy way to tear tissue paper. So let's just take this out of the box. And oops. And there it is! It's so cute! Oh, I love it. I love that this little keychain. It says Fun Day. I think it's super cute. I love the yellow on top. I love yellow. There's their logo in the back. I think it looks super cute. One of the things I love about transparent bags like this is that you can find everything so well. So easily. I love it. I'm not about those like, oh, I gotta hide my stuff. It looks super cute. It's great for the beach or traveling. And then this is their monthly keychain that goes along with the clutch. So let's see what that looks like on. So there we have the clutch with the keychain. I think it's super fun. It adds to a lot of character to this otherwise clear clutch. Mine did come a little bit damaged, but that's okay. I don't get really worked up about it. I know that there was a lot of thought and that went into the design process, and I don't think, you know, I like a little bit of a flaw. Adds character. I might end up taking this off every once in a while. It's still super fun. I might end up using this for my actual keys for my car.
So one of the reasons I subscribed to StudioDIY's Can't Clutch This monthly subscription is not only have I been seeing their stuff for over a year now, but I've recently started traveling a lot more, and I noticed that I would put everything in pouches. I love organization, and I especially loved using a bunch of clear pouches, but unfortunately they were really affordable, and so that meant that their lifespan was not the greatest. So I think this works really well, and I'm really excited to see what their next month's clutch is going to be. This is super fun also for when you're going out, if you're more on the quirky side or just want to pop a color when you're wearing an already all black outfit. I think this works super great. I'm super excited. I can't wait to put things in here. This is so great. This is so fun. But yeah, like if you're going through security check at a concert or at a bar, or even when you're going to like a Disney park, which I go to quite a bit, I think this works super great because security is gonna go super fast. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. I can't wait to share more content with you. You're more than welcome to follow me on one of my other social media handles, specifically Instagram. I'm on there all the time. So yeah, I can't wait to see you soon. Bye. Mwah.